Today's a simple task. What we're going to do is we're going to remove the instrument clusters, the speedo, the dials, the clocks, whatever you call it. I call it the clocks. I think because it originally had a clock in them. This maybe does actually, can't remember. But that's them there. Bloody gimbal, eh? Yeah, that's them there. They're quite straightforward to remove. I'll explain why at the end why I'm removing them. Because I have an issue. It's not an issue, it's just a minor inconvenience, which I will sort out shortly. Was because when you start the car, well, you don't need to start it actually, the little green key, which is the immobiliser light, keeps flashing. That's because the kpro isn't the original ECU for the car, although the immobiliser knocked off on the kpro, so it's not going to immobilise the car, but the green key light's going to flash. So what I'm going to do is make that stop by removing the bulb, hopefully. Let's see anyway. Right, so to remove these, it's very simple. It's just this panel here, this just pulls off, so you can grab it kind of inside of there and just give it a pull. And that then should just unclip like that. That's that piece off. There's two little metal clips at the top of it which hold it in, but basically you just unclip it with your hands. Dead straightforward that. And then as you can see in there, you have some screws. So we've got two Phillips, one there and one there. God, it's messy in there, isn't it? There's also one up here, so I'm going to need to get a stubby screwdriver, I think, to get the one up there, because I don't think this one's going to be small enough, or is it? Yeah, I can just get it. Right, so that's your three screws out. Now this should just pull towards you, but might take, yeah, pull the top down there and pull it there. Now, you see you got these clips here, these are for your plug, yes, so your plugs, blue and a green, so you can't get them wrong. We say that, I can get anything wrong. Just remove those. Now, unlike a lot of older cars I've had, this doesn't have an electric speedo, so that's kind of handy. Electric speedo cable, there. Electric speedo, doesn't have a speedo cable, sorry, so that's kind of handy. I'm going to have to move this steering wheel down and get this out. Like that. And it'll just slide out the side, and there you go. One set of clocks, dashboard, dials, whatever you want to call them, that's them out. And that's that. Right, now, what I was trying to do was I was trying to remove the key light, but it looks like one bulb does many things here. So if I remove that bulb, that's going to do a lot of stuff. So that's actually not going to work. But anyway, if you wanted to remove some of your bulbs, yeah, you can. They just twist out. They're quite easy to remove. I'll put it down over here so you can see that. And you just twist it, pull it out, and there's your tiny little bulb. So this actually wasn't of any use to me because I can't actually remove the bulb that I want. Here's me thinking all of them are individual bulbs and they're not. Amazing. Well, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'm going to remove that one anyway and plug it back in and put the ignition on and see if the light's out and see which other lights are out. I imagine all of them are in that corner. ECU light and oil light. All the important ones. I mean, yeah, you need ECU light, oil light and battery light. They're quite important really. And they're probably the ones that I'm going to have unplugged. Anyway, put this back together. Yeah, so I've taken that one bulb out. Actually, that's perfect because all of the lights are still working. Let's go off and on again. Oil light, battery light, ECU light, everything else spot on. Got the door lights here. Oh, wicked. Right, so yes, that one bulb It actually solved my problem straight away. Brilliant. Now I'll just have to put all this back together, which is, if you watch the first part of the video in reverse, that's exactly how you put it back together. So I'll do that. Wicked. Spot on. That bloody gimbal fell over then. But yeah, that's that done. Bulb out. No annoying green light. I'll keep that bulb because it works. Awesome. Thanks for watching.